and I feel good. Stuck in the shit and I like it. Stuck in my head, rather be that way than in the room full of people that'll make me feel alone anyway. Alone anyway. I feel like I'm swimming in my own brain, my own brain. Feel like a monkey, primal instincts. I like moving in my own head. I like hearing myself speak. I'd rather talk to myself than people pretending. I hate Fugazis nowadays, pretending to be my friend. Still spend the weekends alone. They're all just work friends. They're all just recovery friends. They're all fucking labels. Feel like a monkey on psychedelics I accidentally ingested. I feel like I'm tripping, but I'm sober and I've been it for a minute.